Hi, and welcome to another product close-up from This Calls for Confetti. Here's a pack of our A2 acetate sheets. You get 20 sheets of 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch acetate in this pack. This is a heavyweight acetate perfect for shaker cards and other craft projects. Now on the back side of the package, you should see a small sticker reminding you to please remove the protective film. Now each sheet has protective film on it. And we recommend you remove the protective film from the acetate using the following method. Using a piece of low tack or removable tape, firmly press the tape over the corner of the acetate and slowly peel back. You should see the film peel back from the acetate. If the protective film does not peel back, you need to flip the acetate over. The protective film is only on one side, so when they're stacked together in the packaging, it protects the side against the next piece. So flip the acetate over, reapply the tapes, and slowly peel back to reveal the crystal clear acetate that is now ready for your project. We hope you'll subscribe to our new YouTube channel for more product close-ups and tutorials. We appreciate you all, and don't forget to add a little confetti to each day.